Have you ever wondered why some businesses dominate social media, creating viral content and building massive followings and driving consistent sales, while others struggle to get noticed? Hi, this is Dr. John. I'm an associate professor of marketing with over 15 years of experience, and today I'm going to take you to the world of social media marketing. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or you're just curious to understand what social media or social media marketing is, this is the right course for you. I'm going to take you from very basics, where we are going to discuss the theory behind social media marketing, things like what social media is, what social media marketing is, what are the platforms that we have in social media marketing, what are the common platforms that big businesses are using, the social media marketing process models. And these models are important for you to understand, because when you understand these models theoretically, you'd be able to go ahead and apply these models. I'm going to teach you the common strategies that organizations use in order to implement their social media marketing campaigns successfully. Remember, in this fast-paced digital world, social media is not optional. It's essential. With billions of active users around the world, if you want your company to go up the rank, if you want your company to be noticed, if you want your company to be successful, you need to understand and apply social media and social media marketing. So this is the right course for you, where I'm going to teach you some of the key concepts of social media marketing. And after understanding these concepts, I'm confident that you'd be a step closer towards crafting really good social media marketing campaigns. So enroll in the course, and I'm sure that this course will contribute positively towards your learning experience. I'll see you inside.